Hey everyone, Rick, the Static Nomadic. Day 18 here. Boy, we got some rain last night. Yeah, very welcome rain for the area, but as usual, it's a gorgeous morning this morning. Nice and sunny. Does this every morning. Absolutely beautiful mornings. Unfortunately, seems like every afternoon get the wind and a good possibility of rain. So you got to get stuff done earlier in the day here and then just plan on hunkering down for the rest of the night, I guess. There's only been 2 nights since I've been here that I could actually see the stars. And that's too bad because, I'm sure it's not always like this, we just happen to be here at the right time of the year, I guess. Anyway, we're going to try and get his lights on today, get him road legal. Well, they definitely seem to be working. Hopefully, it will last a while. I'm about to walk over to Paul's, put these on. I just wanted to show you that I just soldered ground wire on here instead of running the wire up through and putting a loop on there and then doing butt connectors under here. It'll give it a better ground, and since it's just sheet metal screws holding his on, this should work out better and he shouldn't have any connection problems. I really hate cutting into factory wiring, I really do, but since we could not find this style of marker light, we had to go with this other style, which is a 2-bulb, and they're going to be a little brighter, but it's all we could come up with. So I got to cut this open and snip the wires, try and leave the body shop some wires so they can solder these back together and heat shrink them. Alright, got that mounted, put our bulbs back in, and then I got to get under it and make the connections underneath. One thing I always do is I find the positive wire when making these. Just put the probes of the multimeter in there, find which way the current goes, and then I mark one of them as a positive. Then snip and strip while you can before you crawl up under. Sure makes it easier. Now all I gotta do is get up under there and butt connect these together. Just butt connect that together, wrap some electrical tape around it, and put the wire loom back on it. Normally I would heat shrink these, but since they're gonna get replaced anyway, I'm assuming at the body shop, I ain't worried about it. That's it. Do this 2 more times and kick on the lights and see how pretty they are. Yeah, we got him all road legal again.
Sweet. I just can't believe how little damage both are.
Now I won't get a ticket rolling down the road. Isn't that a better deal?
Don't you show that video.
Huh?
Don't you show no video.
Oh, I'm going to. Well, everyone, it was a pretty eventful day actually today. Fixing my steps and getting Paul's rig put back together. I still got to put his vent on there on the furnace, but all I can do is put a screw in there to hold that vent on. That's all I'm going to be able to do until he gets one of the new spring locks. But, yeah, and then we went into town, and I tried to take some video, as we were going through downtown Alamosa. And, well, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. The good news is I did actually get a shot of something that I didn't think I got a shot of, and that was a deer just roaming through downtown Alamosa. He just kind of came up to the street and kind of looked like he was checking traffic. And, yeah, I just got a real quick shot, so I'm going to have to do a still picture of that. But, yeah, that was pretty comical. Didn't expect that, really. But, anyway, I'm just going to eat some dinner. We went to Walmart, and I picked up one of those rotisserie chicken deals that they got there. I love that buttery garlic rotisserie chicken they have. And, yeah, I'll eat some of that tonight, and boy, that makes good sandwiches for the rest of the week, too. I'll eat on that for a while. And I think it's like $7 for that thing. That's a pretty good deal. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a great night. Hope you had a great day, and peace out.
Thank you.